The Oppo Find N5 is launching on February 20th in China. The smartphone will become in satin black, jade white, and dusk purple color. The Oppo Find N3 launched in global markets as the OnePlus Open, so Oppo Find N5 to be a rebranded OnePlus Open 2. The device will feature a 6.4-inch external display with 120Hz refresh rate. Device will also be the first foldable to support IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 ratings, while the foldable Find N5 will offer an 8-inch main screen with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Oppo Find N5 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The rear camera features a triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensors, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, a dual camera setup with 32MP and 20MP sensors is anticipated. Battery capacity is poised to increase to 5,900 mAh with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.